Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a bad effect because they could have just saved the amongst women, but they didn't know it because they weren't aware of it, because they were mindless zombies when they're near their cell phones. The second argument is, let's move to my second argument, is the bad impact is it causes addiction and dependency, ladies and gentlemen. According to a medical journal, research conducted by the University of Washington, there are a few symptoms which says that people are addicted and dependent on their mobile phones. The first one is the individual is always anticipating for calls, always anticipating for texts, always anticipating for instant messages on their mobile phones. They think about it even more than the things that they are doing right now, than the things they are doing at the present. The second one is they choose their mobile phones over socializing in real life, ladies and gentlemen, because in their mobile phones they unlock a world wider than the things around them. They unlock something bigger than the things around them, ladies and gentlemen. That makes them attracted more to their mobile phones. But it's also bad, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because having a dependency, having an addiction to your mobile phone makes you less human because it degrades your real-life socialization, ladies and gentlemen. And we know that the degradation of real-life socialization always leads to something bad, maybe a mental illness or a psychological effect, which would do them harm. And the third one is, ladies and gentlemen, the third dependency and addiction side is that you get angry when people interrupt your phone time or your me time, the time to yourself with your phone. Ladies and gentlemen, how many people have you seen getting like this face? Whenever you speak loudly or whenever they're enjoying their mobile phone, they stare at you like this. I get that lots of times, ladies and gentlemen, because in my community people are very addicted to their mobile phones. So, ladies and gentlemen, by having that symptom, that addiction, that they're angry when their phone time is interrupted, that leads to psychological harm. It implants in their brain that the people that bothering them on their mobile phone is bothering them. It makes them feel angry. It makes them something to think about. It makes them stressed. In the end, it makes health harms and health issues. So, ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, there are two arguments that I brought to you. First, the negative impacts of cell phones are it zombifies society, and the second one, it creates dependency and addiction, which in the end also creates mental and physical harms. Thank you for listening.